Hey guys, welcome to the Be Strong webinar. My name is Rozalia and today we'll be talking about water. So I find myself many times talking to my clients about the importance of water and how important it is to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. So the human body is composed about at least 70% water. Every atom, cell in the body needs water. Every biochemical process, every reaction that happens in the body needs water. So, if you want to be healthy, you need to drink your water. So the heart contains about 75% water. The blood contains at least 85% water. So you need water in the blood to be able to absorb nutrients and transport them into cells so you can absorb properly and have all of the muscle gain, the tonnage, the weight loss that you're looking for. So food needs water to properly digest. So the importance of water in between meals is valid. When you drink water during your meals, you dilate your stomach acid. You can't absorb the nutrients appropriately. That's not to say that water isn't good for you. It just needs to be drank at different times when you're not eating so that you can get the most out of your absorption of nutrients. So you are what you absorb, right? So slow digestion equals a deficiency of vital nutrients for the body that is necessary. So drinking water 30 minutes before or 30 minutes after your meal, which is a proper stimulation of stomach acid to absorb those nutrients, will reduce your risk of heartburn, gas, or bloating that many individuals experience on a daily basis. So dehydration, for example, increases your risks for many diseases. Why that is? It's because we're not absorbing our nutrients appropriately, so we're increasing that risk for those degenerative diseases such as anxiety, depression, cardiovascular diseases, high blood pressure, even further down the line, Alzheimer's disease, dementia, ADHD, etc. So fluid losses occur daily with our waters. We lose it through our urine, we lose it through our sweat. So if you're working out really hard, you're losing a lot of water. So you do need to replenish continuously on a daily basis to avoid dehydration. Water also is excreted by our diets. So a lot of our diets have processed sugars in them. They could be reduced by environmental factors such as pollution. Potentially we aren't absorbing our waters because we're drinking a lot of caffeine, so we're dehydrating our bodies even more. So replacing those fluids is very important so that we don't increase our risk of any of those degenerative diseases. So drinking water in the morning is the best thing ever. It actually boosts your metabolism by at least 25% in that morning. So what water does is that it cleanses your lymphatic system. So your lymphatic system is filled with tons of fluid that removes the last bit of toxins that is in your body. So without water, the lymphatic fluid in your immune system does not circulate in the body appropriately. Not to mention, water makes you beautiful. It gives you glowing skin. Who doesn't want that, right? So to reduce your skin complexion issues, to have less dry skin, you want to increase your water because it does lubricate the skin cells and it does speed up regeneration of the stem cells on the skin. It definitely boosts your metabolism, so you will see weight loss because you're absorbing your macros appropriately, your micronutrients appropriately. You will see more results by drinking more water. Like I said before, it regenerates the cells in the body, especially in the blood and the muscle cells. So if you are trying to get in shape, water is definitely important. It's even important if you're not trying to get in shape. You need water to function appropriately every single day. Drinking water on an empty stomach is the best. That's why in the morning it's really important, because it does cleanse the intestinal system, cleanses the colon. So those symptoms of gas and bloating that you guys get, or some of you guys may have, it definitely reduces those symptoms. So drink your water in the morning, cleanse your colon, and feel vital. So we need to keep our water beautiful so that we can be beautiful too. Our planet right now has a lot of pollution in our waters. whether it's from factories that produce chemical waste and put it in our waters, whether it's the plastics that are put in our oceans, it could be the medicines that we flush down the toilet, even the foods that we eat. So if we eat bad foods and then we excrete our water, that goes into a recycling system, and we drink that water all the time, and we absorb those chemicals and the pollution that's in that water. So if we keep our planet clean, which is also 70% water, if we keep our earth clean with our water, we will be clean as well. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much. And tune in for the next Be Strong webinar.